Okay, rolling. Good afternoon. So, I'm calling myself Mark Gandhi Alma Emerson. So I want to play Ocean Breeze for you. Got a little more light this time around. So it's called Ocean Breeze, Voyage of Many Darwin's Beagles. Okay?
São 4:30.
Não, ainda não. Tá 4:15.
Mas pode ser na hora da gente ir pra lá.
Então, eu vou cantar mais uma canção aqui, gravando, tá?
Aí vai tá 4 horas.
4:30. Okay, so I hope you like it. Inspired by Darwin. I got my special effects there. I got the pirate book up there. I got next to it Bury the Chains. My Darwin journal book is not right there, but walking down the street in Rochdale near Manchester, Atlanta or Madrid in Spain. Might be like imagining Darwin and never strolling contentedly in Rio de Janeiro, South Africa, or south of the desert in Chile, in the sun or rain. In the sun or rain, and we are living the past. It haunts us, surrounds, infuses and abounds, and the future's coming up so very fast. Present is where you can heal ghosts with and beyond loving tears, fears, angels and hopes. You can feel the biggest pond and you can feel the ocean breeze. Feel the ocean breeze in our faces. You can choose to seek divine love, you and me shining out and shining all around like one of the enlightened one, the multicolored coat. To Elijah's cave and crow, prophetic run to Jesus the Son, the Good Samaritan, Fannie Lou Hamer, Gandhi, and all rainbow mind, body, spiritual liaison, to the ocean breeze as it's setting on the seven seas, to the ocean breeze. As it living by the snow-capped as it living by the snow-capped source of rivers by mountain creek. Oh, oh. Sailing on the open ocean on the two-masted wooden ship Beagle in 1831, as if you could and can spiritualize the love, the psychology of fears and hopes, and the material winds of history, and transform things like Homer's Paris and Helen's Achilles' heel on love affair, odyssey from place to place. Darwin in Britain had read how a Frenchman's and Spaniard's eyes put two and two together like a Hollywood sci-fi stars, and wars adventure to look like a giant sloth, to look a giant sloth in the fossil phase, in the fossil phase. We are living in the past. It haunts us, surrounds, infuses and abounds, and the future's coming up so very fast. The present is where you can heal ghosts with the beyond loving tears, fears, angels and hopes. You can feel the biggest pond and you can feel the ocean breeze. Feel the ocean breeze in our faces. You can choose to seek divine love, you and me shining out and shining all around like brilliant light one, the multicolored coat for light. Elijah's cave and crow, prophetic run to Jesus the Son, the Good Samaritan, Fannie Lou Hamer, Gandhi, and all. Rainbow, mind, body, spiritual liaison. Spiritual liaison. Feel the ocean breeze as it's sitting on the seven seas. Feel the ocean breeze as you listen to how the prairie dogs speak. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, you look around and you can see so many words used in so many ways. There's so many people treating the world like you can just throw it away. Is it not sacred? Divine love makes you and me worth it. Is that not all sacred? An ecosystem overshoot, human exploitation breakdown. Oh, we won't make it. We need to save it. Baby steps and double breeze, us and them, you and I, spiritualized. We can do it. 'Cause we are living in the past. Where hearts are surrounded, and fuses and abounds, and the future's coming up so very fast. The present is where you can heal ghosts with the beyond loving tears, fears, angels and hopes. You can feel the biggest pond and you can feel the ocean breeze. Feel the ocean breeze in our faces. You can choose to seek divine love, you and me, shining out and shining all around. Like when the enlightened one, the multicolored coat. The multicolored coat to Elijah's cave and crow. Prophetic run to Jesus the Son, the Good Samaritan, Fannie Lou Hamer, Gandhi, and all. Rainbow, mind, body, spiritual liaison. Spiritual liaison. Feel the ocean breeze as sitting on the seven seas. Feel the ocean breeze as you watch the city lights transform at ease. Feel the ocean breeze as sitting on the seven seas. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, wow, that's coming along. So my boys are excited about another thing. I was thrilled to finish that song in such a nice way. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and listening. We'll see you next time. Be good where you are on this big, beautiful, fragile, sacred, green-blue marble of ours. So I'm calling myself Mark Gandhi Alma Emerson. And this is coming at you from my humble little family studio, a little fixer-upper. And here at Aguapi on the beach in Ceará, Brazil. I'm a New York City area expat. So see you next time. Be good. God bless.